Hello guys, today this is we are working on 7 plus iPhone 7 plus. The customer brought this phone complaining that it fell into water. iPhone 7 plus, it fell into water damage. So when I opened the phone, I used the machine. I used my machine to check, and I was able to find out that the phone is on short. The board is on short. It's not going to turn on unless we take off the short. So maybe some of us that doesn't know what is called short means a capacitor. There's a capacitor on the phone which is spoiled, which is damaged. The water has damaged the capacitor, making the current to breach, making the capacitor to breach, so the current cannot flow. So now the board is breaching, the current is breaching, which is making the phone being on short. So we need to take out the short from the phone. So when I open the phone, I will have to check on the board to see what has damage on it. But as it's on short, we need to check on the short using our sometimes I use my short killer. I have a short killer. I use my short killer, and I use my machine, which is also called act like short killer. I use it to detect short. Okay, so let me show you guys the things I'm talking about. Let's go and see what you use to detect the short. So here is the machine I use. You can see the machine I use to trace the short, and I also use my red and black cable to also trace the short. Can you see? I also use my black and red cable to also trace the short. So that is it. And this is the phone. When I try, let me open it and get the board out, then I will show you the damage. I've already checked it before, so good. You see, you can see water damage. Can you see? This is water damage. So there is a short, whether this capacitor is on short or inside. So I have to check with my short killer. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates. This is a short killer. It's also having red and black cable. This is a short killer. Okay, you use this to detect a short. Sometimes when you use this detecting the short, this will kill the short. Okay, it will just take off the capacitor, bend it, and we condemn it just like that, so that you will not be able to trace it again. So this one can kill the short. Okay, that's why we call it short killer. Okay, that's why we call it short killer. It's also a power supply. It acts like power supply. You can use it to on a phone. You can use it to on iPhone. You can use it to on any phone. You understand? There is also a power supply. There is the power. The power inside is like a battery, like the power on the battery. It can power the phone. Okay, every phone needs at least 3.7, 3.6 voltage to on. 3.7, 3.6, 3.8 to on. Highest 4.2. Highest is 4.2 to on every phone. So if you watch here, we are having 3.9. That's what we are having here. So it can on any phone. It can kill any short. Okay, that's why we call it short killer. So if it doesn't kill the short on the phone, it will help the short to be detected quickly, to help the repairer to detect the short very quickly. Okay, to see how the short is, it will be hot and you can take it off. That is it. This is iPhone 7 Plus board. Okay, the phone I was working on, the phone is on short. The VDD mail is on short. So now for you to see the VDD main, you come to here, you click it. All this line, all this place showing the red is connected to the VDD main. If there's a short on this VDD main, the phone will not turn on. If there's a short on this VDD main, the phone will not turn on. So now there's a problem in the VDD main. All these places that is showing red, there's a particular problem somewhere hiding, making all of them not to get current, not current to pass through anymore. VDD main, this is the name, VDD main. So right now we have to use our short killer to trace where is the short, where is the capacitor? All these things are capacitor. You see, all these things are capacitor. So where is the capacitor hiding? Which of them is the bad boy making the phone not to turn on? So that's why we use our short killer to trace where the problem is coming from. So this is iPhone 7 Plus board. This is iPhone 7 Plus board. Okay, and all this place is the VDD main. That's it.